Alright, what's going on, guys? My name is Connor Ridland, and today I'm going to be covering a common issue if you ever replace your window door on a 350Z. As you can see, the window goes down, but when you use the automatic button to come up, it will not stay. In this video, I want to be showing you guys how to fix it. So first things first, you want to get this door panel off. All you have to do is basically pull with, you could use a knife, a screwdriver, anything around, and you'll get all of the clips. And then from there, you want to unhook everything for the opening door mechanism, and then also everything for the wiring. As you can see here, we have the door panel off, we have all the wiring disconnected, and we're good to go ahead and reset this switch, which this is actually the switch right here. You are going to need your button, so go ahead and plug this back in. So first thing, remove your jack, and then we go ahead and close this door. Let's roll this window all the way back up. There we go, I think we got it. Now try it. Alright, and when we close the door, it should go all the way up. And that is how you fix your door. Now we just got to assemble it back together, and it'll be just like new. Alright guys, I want to show you guys how to put this back on. It's pretty simple. It's exactly how you pulled it off. Just make sure you have all of your door mechanisms hooked up. Put your wiring through. Plug everything back up. Secure this back into place. Alright guys, so I hope you guys found this video helpful, especially if you have a 350Z and have struggled with this in the past. This is how you fix the issue. It took no longer than 10 minutes to do. Could even be less, it's just I just set up the camera and everything. So if you did find it helpful, please drop a like. Comment if there's anything you want to see me do with this car, any sort of helpful videos that I can help you guys out with. And with that being said, I hope you did enjoy this video. This is a twin turbo 350Z that I'm making a whole bunch of videos on, kind of a video series, build series, restoration project. Please subscribe if you want to see more of those videos. With that being said, thank you, take care, and have a nice day. I'll see you guys in the next one.